Hi guys! So we're in the car. Well, we're back, first of all.
Yeah.
And so we got ourselves in a little situation. Claire is a camp counselor, and they asked her to make about 120 cupcakes before tomorrow. So naturally, she calls her best friend and decides to pick her up, and we're gonna make 120 cupcakes tonight.
Mini cupcakes, though,
Mini
not
cupcakes.
full size. So
Mini
it's gonna be a
cupcakes.
lot easier because they'll go faster. But still,
You know, but
we have like 5 hours.
we figured it was worth vlogging, so we're gonna
Yeah.
vlog going to the grocery store, making the cupcakes, and being the crazy people that we are,
Pretty much.
that you haven't totally seen yet.
Yeah.
Please don't run away.
Okay. All right. See you soon.
See you soon. Bye.
Hey guys. So we have now started our baking process.
Yeah, we're
and yes. What? Just put it down. Not on the flour. Put it over here.
Hi.
So we started our baking process. It should take us about 4 hours to get everything done. We're gonna try to get everything done as fast as possible. So 4 hours is like the hopeful.
So it's 9:18 now.
It's 9:18 p.m. Let's see how long it takes. So we're not doing like a how-to bake thing because it's not our recipe. It's from the I don't think I'm allowed to advertise that. JK. Okay.
It's just not ours.
It's not our recipes. We're not going to do a how-to because I'm pretty sure there's some like copyright stuff about that. Okay, so let's go. Let's do this.
Flour's done, by the way.
Okay, so we're going to need to...
So much poison. Make sure you're always washing your hands. Why am I jumping?
Where I saw a shell.
None of you do.
I saw a shell piece. No, I saw a shell piece. See it right there. See it right there.
That's not a shell.
Yes, right there.
That's not.
See?
That's not. It looks like ice cream, but it's not.
Really not. Vanilla smells really good.
It looks like chocolate milk.
It's not chocolate milk.
I know.
This is what she's talking about. Okay, so
I have it in like this like piece of parchment. Just back over here.
no.
I'm not putting it in.
So start with 1/3 of the dry ingredients. Yeah, you can use the measuring cup. Okay, just go. Okay, you can put the dry ingredients in.
Come on, little friend. Come out of there. Come out of hiding.
Oh, wait, hold on. Let me scrape.
Yeah. Can I pour it in while it's not spinning?
No.
I'll get some for the next batch. Hey Claire, I'm stupid.
She forgot to put the ingredients that you need to sift into the sifter.
This is typical me. I'm still stupid, guys.
Yeah, I know.
Hey!
It is really hard to scoop batter into tiny little muffin trays.
It's just baking soda.
Baking soda and salt. Soda.
Powder.
Baking powder and salt.
1/2 teaspoons.
Look in there. They're all in here. Do you see this?
There's a pot. This is what she's done with all the measuring stuff.
It's not all of it.
Really,
But
where's
look
the
how
rest?
hard this is. These are just tiny little holes that don't fit very much.
Tiny little holes that don't fit much.
All you need to know is you can come in when you're lonely, when you can't see. I'll be your temper. I have cracked my neck. We could do 4 trays, like 6 trays with this much batter.
Sorry.
My spoon fell into one of the cupcakes. You see it? Yeah, my spoon fell into one of the cupcakes, so.
How does raw egg taste?
Oh my god!
Okay, that's actually a cute photo though.
When you feel like I'm a good time, I'll be a temporary Mexican Leave in the comments who's the best dancer. Make sure you win. So we're filling up the trays because we just finished our first batch, and our first batch turned out okay. Like they baked pretty much perfectly, except we overfilled some of them. Like that one, that one. That one's underfilled.
That one's under. This one's like good.
This one's the perfect one.
This one's the perfect one?
Pretty much. Or no, more like that one. More like that one's the perfect one.
I just like snorted into the camera. That's disgusting.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna fill the trays and we gotta get going because we only have like an hour left because some people are sleeping in my living room and so they need to sleep in the living room at like 11 o'clock and it's already 10.
We can do this. We have leftover batter from the last batch.
Fill up the trays.
Coming. Bye guys.
It sounds weird.
We're baking.
Say hi, Anna.
I like your shirt. Wakes up at 10 o'clock at night.
First time.
Saying this is it, I've had enough. Cause like we haven't seen each other in a month. When you said you needed space. What?
I'm trying to figure out how.
You have the worst workout playlist ever.
Excuse me, it's from my own self. I don't care what you think.
Question, why did you make a workout playlist if you never work out?
When you come around again, say, baby, I miss you and I swear I'm gonna change. Trust me, you remember how I lost it for a day. I say, I hate you, we break up, you call me, I love you.
Oh, I twisted my Your face is weird.
I know, that's what people don't look at it.
Talk to me when we are never, ever, ever getting back together.
You almost choked her, goodness.
Well, did you get all the ingredients, Yara?
No,
Then why are you sifting it?
I'm not sifting it. I'm trying to get the flour into the sifter.
Yeah, you can't sift it. Okay, never mind. Just use a different piece of parchment paper.
I don't know the perfect paper.
It's over here.
I'm really gonna miss you picking fights and me falling for a screaming that I'm right. And you find a way to find your peace of mind with some indie record that's much cooler than mine. Ooh,
She doesn't like nuts that much.
I like Nutella.
That does not count at all.
Nutella is my love.
be out again tonight, but ooh, this time I'm telling you, we are never, ever, ever getting back together. We are never, ever, ever getting back together. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me, but we are never, ever, ever, ever getting back together. I used to think that we were forever, ever, and I used to say never. He held me up and he's like, I still love you. I'm like, I'm just as exhausting. I love you.
Never getting back together. Like ever.
We are never, ever, ever getting back together. We are never, ever.
What, bunny hop?
I think I broke your finger. Getting back together. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me. But we ever, 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 ever getting back together.
Whoa. Good morning, guys. It is the next day, and we meant to wake up at 6, but after the alarm went off, we slept for like another hour, so it's like 7:03. But we're softening the butter for the frosting,
getting ready to go. Claire lent me the sweatshirt. And yeah, let's get started. This is the problem with freezing the butter. It takes a million years to soften. I have to like switch hands because the powdered sugar like comes up on the side of it comes up on the side after a little bit, and then you have to switch hands so you don't really get it out of the sifter. Oh, thanks. It's like snow, really sweet, delicious snow.
I feel like one batch of frosting should be enough, but
Yeah.
oh jeez.
Actually, that's not that bad.
No, that's a gross pretzel.
Yeah, it kind of looks like cough syrup. Yeah. Look at all the cupcakes we made last night. Here's all of them.
No. Okay, just take a. Oh, no, something.
I think you knew that. Hey guys! So it is 8:30 in the morning and we finally finished the cupcakes. They're all in the back seat.
Yeah, try to get over here then.
There's the cupcakes. There's some more over there.
What was our estimate of our total count? Because we didn't like actually count all of them.
Well, I counted 166.
166 cupcakes.
I counted last night.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe to our channel and go check our other videos. We'd love to see you guys make some comments. We'd love to hear like video requests, song requests, anything of the sort.
We have back to school videos coming.
Yeah,
That'll be fun.
We
We have a back to school vlog in the making. If you guys like vlogs, make sure to tell us down below. Thumbs up, tell us down below. We'll keep doing them. Yeah.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.